In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to name aldehydes. Now, how can we identify aldehydes? Aldehydes have a carbonyl group, C double bond O, at the end of a carbon chain with at least one hydrogen atom attached to the C double bond O. So whenever you see something like this, that is an aldehyde. Sometimes it's written out in this form as well. So you have like a carbon chain, it could be anything attached to that carbon, and there has to be at least one hydrogen attached to the carbonyl, to the carbon double bond O. There must be at least one hydrogen. You can have two hydrogens, okay, but that's like the simplest aldehyde, which is known as formaldehyde, okay, or methanal. So the IUPAC naming rules for aldehydes is as follows. One, you have to find the longest chain that includes the carbonyl group, the actual aldehyde group. Okay. Two, for aldehydes, the carbonyl carbon is always carbon 1. So we call that a terminal functional group. It's always carbon 1. Three, identify and name substituents, if any. And the last one is to put everything together. And when you're naming, replace the E at the end of the alkane with Al. So the suffix for aldehyde is al, Al. Okay. Example 1. If you're given this compound and you're asked to name it, the first thing we have to do is to find the longest continuous carbon chain. In aldehydes, the C double bond O must always be carbon 1. So this is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is our longest continuous carbon chain. There are no substituents or branches, and therefore we're just going to go ahead and name it. So since we have 5 carbon chain, 5 carbons in organic chemistry is pents. And since you're naming an aldehyde, you're going to name it as if you're naming an alkane. So complete this as if it's pentane, but then we change this E to Al, and that is it. So the name of this compound is pentanal.